Looking for a 24-hour plumber in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how stressful plumbing emergencies can be, especially when they happen at the most inconvenient times. That's why we're proud to offer reliable, round-the-clock plumbing services right here in Sherwood Park. Whether you're dealing with a burst pipe, a clogged drain, or a water heater issue, our team is ready to respond quickly and efficiently. In Sherwood Park, plumbing challenges like frozen pipes in winter or sudden leaks are common. As a local company, we understand these unique needs and tailor our services to meet them effectively. Keep watching to learn why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for 24-hour plumbing services in Sherwood Park. Need help now? Call us today or visit our website to book your service.